everybody. It's Elaine and Cheryl from the Sewing Basket. It's Monday, March 30th. Changes over the weekend again. It looks like everybody's going to be in for a little bit longer than expected. We decided today that probably some of you are getting a little stir crazy, so we thought that we would give you a bit of a tour of the store. And here we have a doorway delivery. Welcome to our Facebook Live. Thank you, Pat, for picking up your item.
You're welcome.
Take care.
Yeah, bye-bye.
That was truly spontaneous. You'll see our mask for deliveries out here as well. And we're open. The box will be outside from about 11 to 2 each day to drop off masks. We just had a few people drop some. And you can call in orders, and as you saw with Pat, you can come and pick up at the door if you call and order things. We've got our cart here of people who are going to be stopping in today to pick things up. And then we thought we'd just take you around the store a little bit. Most of you have been here, some of you maybe not. We're not going to do the whole store, that gets to be a little bit long, but we'll do some other parts of the store another day. Here we have kind of kids fabric, blacks and whites, some fun new things. Most of you may have seen this already. This is our Mix 6 baby quilt, and we have this cute little applique of the elephant, and his ear is on the back. That was real popular. We have a few of those kits left, but we decided to find some panels that would work for another project. And so we came over here, we did bright batiks, we got these cute little panels in. They're actually made to make stuffed animals, but what we did is we put the whale and the crab on the quilt, and if you flip over to the back of the whale is on the back of the quilt. We've put a pattern together on how to use that, and the kits come with the fat quarter bundle as well as the panel for the animals. So just some fun things. This also is a newer pattern for us and kit. We're trying to put things online for you so you get a chance to see what's new and maybe have a chance to make some things while you've got some time yet. We're going to head over this way. This is a new little line. Cheryl is in the midst of doing a table runner project on this. You know, on our Daily Dose page, you get a number of different things. The pattern for the table runner that she's made with this will be online as, on Daily Dose, probably within the next week or so. Those of you who like to sail or go out on the water, someday we'll be able to do that again. Danny was pretty sure that social distancing worked if you were each in your own boat when you start fishing. So we've got a kit on that as well. Cheryl's just going to come by, look at a few things here. And on this side, we have a cute little new line that's got some chickens and rabbits and some blenders, and then a nice series of multicolored dots that go with it. You'll notice in the background are home panels with the Arizona, Florida. We showed those a week or so ago. We also have one where the United States is the picture rather than each individual state. So those are some of the new things. Over on the other side, we've got our batiks. Cheryl's doing a good job of not making everybody motion sick here. A lot of batiks, cart full of goodies to be put away that just came in yesterday. As we mentioned yesterday, we are still receiving all of our orders to support our fabric companies. They're happy about that, as are we. And we'll have all kinds of new stuff for you when you get a chance to come into the store again. As we move through, just some patterns and different things. The violets down here and this new line are new. These are in the website as fat quarter bundles. Also, anything you see bundled, I made a note on the products in the website that if you want yardage of something, you can just give a call. And what we added this morning is, we'll make that person on the phone wait to talk to us when we're done with this. And we're going to move across. The thing that we added this morning we have a lot of blender lines. This line is called Bedrock. There's about 70 colors. And as you're home for a few weeks, you may have lots of fun fabrics that are focus fabric, and you may be low on blenders. So what we did is we added 3 things to our website. If you go under fabrics, you will hear that, sorry about that phone recording in the background. You'll see on the website the background, in the fabric category, there will be 3 pages or 3 pictures. One will be bedrock, one will be canvas, and the other will be Dash Flow by Dear Stella. You will see a picture and it says we carry all 40 or all 70 of these. When you click on that picture, there'll be a link to a color card. So you'll be able to kind of look at home what you have and see what colors would match your project. And then you can just give us a call. We don't possibly have enough time to enter every single bolt individually. So we thought this was a great way to be able to have you see different blenders and options and still be able to get background fabric even though we're not here for you right now. Well, I shouldn't say we're not here. We're here by door, by phone, and by mail. Cheryl's just going through the last of the Dash Flow. These are, again, by Dear Stella. Come in all different colors, some nice spring colors coming up. And again, you'll be able to see those on the website sewingbasket.biz and just click on the shopping page. The last thing that we're going to show you over here, totes and purses are always a nice quick project. Think birthdays and things coming up. It's a nice time when you've got some time to be able to make a tote bag or a market bag for a friend. We've got some good patterns on that. And this little fun project just came in. This is done by QT Fabrics, and these 2 little purses come on one panel, and the pattern is actually printed right on the fabric. It comes in 2 colorways. This one that I'm about to hold up is the blue and purple. And you can see the pattern is printed right on the panel, and all of the pieces are already printed the size that they need to be cut. So this blue and purple panel will make 2 small purses, just like these. And the other colorway was used to make these 2. They're kind of peach and teal. So those are a fun little project. Again, everything you need is printed right on the panel. I think that's about it for today. I hope you enjoyed the tour. Sorry about the phone call in the background, but we're glad that you're calling us. We really appreciate your support in this time, doing our best to support you. We look forward to seeing you tomorrow. Thanks.
Bye.